Hey there, Sean Bailey, the Sales Funnel Nerd, and welcome to this video today where I'm going to explain to you how to make your first $1,000 promoting ClickFunnels, or really any product for that matter. So, more accurately, I'll probably have in the description how to earn your first $999.40 as a ClickFunnels affiliate. Here you can see, I took a snapshot from over at the affiliate page there for ClickFunnels, and this shows you my lifetime earnings. There's a little bit pending and whatnot, how much they paid out. I was going to wait until it actually crossed over into $1,000, but $999, I was like, I just can't wait. Time to make another video. So let's talk about how to make your first $1,000 promoting ClickFunnels or any other affiliate product. So the first step is really to know the product. You know the product because most likely you bought it and you use it, right? Pretty simple. There's lots of different products. If I were to look around in my house here, products that I know and use, love, products that I would have no problem just recommending to a friend. And that's really all you're doing when you're promoting a product as an affiliate, right? If you went to work and somebody said, "Hey, holy cow, you've lost a bunch of weight. What's going on here? You're way skinnier than you were." Say, "Oh yeah, I tried out this new thing. It's a new product or it's a new machine." And they're going to say, "Oh, well, what is it? What kind of machine is it? What kind of product is it?" And they're going to ask more and more questions about it because they want to get the same results that you did. And all you're doing is just telling them, "Yeah, I used this thing and it was like this. It was this many weeks and I had to take this type of drink and I worked out on these days and this was really hard, but this was really fun. And if you get into this situation, here's what you do." So that's what you want to do, is demonstrate the benefits, right? So by telling them about the product, by showing how easy it is to use, just showing the kind of results that you got, that's how you demonstrate the benefits to someone without, overtly or like hard selling in that regard. So number 3 is if you want to check it out yourself. So that's it. Just an easy, it's not a hard sell. It's not like, go click on this now, go check this out. It's just, hey, if you want to check this out, if you want to see how this product might work for you, if you want to see the product that I used to get these results, if you want to check this out, just click this link here, right? Nice and easy, very easy. So let's kind of talk about using the affiliate marketing methodology here. First off, you don't have to deal with the headaches. When I talk about headaches, I'm talking about like refunds or customer service or problems with the product, that type of thing, right? Dealing with the headaches that come along with having a product and dealing with sales and customers and that type of thing. Now, the second reason why affiliate marketing is so awesome is that they are likely going to have a ton of material for you to use. Now, if they don't, that might be a sign that they might not have been around for very long, or maybe the product isn't as successful, right? But if the product's been around for a while, they've had a lot of people buy, they're going to have developed an affiliate army. And in order to have that army do its job, you have to give them weapons in the form of marketing material, right? Emails, banners, scripts that you can use, all sorts of stuff out there depending on the product, right? And the third reason that this is awesome is that it can be kind of a passive source of income, right? And I'll explain what I mean here on the next slide. So when you see this says here, this is passive for me. So what that means is that I don't actually buy any advertising. This just all comes through search engine results, organic traffic, Facebook, shares, that kind of thing. I don't actually go and buy advertising for any of the affiliate products that I promote. So now one of the products I use is ClickFunnels. I use it pretty much every day in my business. So all I did was make some videos of me creating funnels in ClickFunnels, showing how easy it is, showing like, hey, here's how to make the consulting funnel that I use that, qualifies people in advance, so you only deal with people who are super serious about working with you. Here's another video of me creating, if you want to create a membership site so that you can, set up a continuity program, here's how to create a funnel like that in ClickFunnels, right? And then I just have a link in the description underneath those videos. Hey, if you want to watch me make some more funnels, just click over here, right? And then once they've clicked on that and they come over to the site, from there it's just kind of as easy as setting up a page with maybe a private video on it, and then a button underneath that links over to ClickFunnels with my affiliate link, right? Easy peasy. So because I'm talking about a online software tool, I wanted to kind of give you an example and show you that this can work for anything. Go to the opposite end of the spectrum here. So me personally, I like to go kayaking whenever possible. It's awesome. Now that picture on the slide here, that isn't me, but we'll just pretend that I own that snazzy kayak in the that's cut off in part of the frame there. So what I would do is probably take some videos of me while I'm out kayaking, maybe show some like modifications I did to my kayak, and I would cut out all the boring parts and put together a few few awesome videos and throw them on there. And then I would say something like, check out the kayak that made this adventure happen. Or maybe I would go and have like another step review and say, check out all the modifications that I made to my kayak. Check out something else in regards to the kayak here. So when they click on that, they get taken over to, again, it could be another site with a private video. They get to watch some private stuff. And then there's just a link to go and check it out, right? So here's what we need to do is provide some type of affiliate link. So with Clickfunnels, it could be a video on a page and then my affiliate link underneath. With the kayaking example, the link is going to take them right over to Amazon. I don't know what the payout system is there, but with Amazon, you know you're dealing with a pretty reputable company that's not going to have problems paying you or taking care of customers, right? So that's it. That's how easy it is to set up something passive to promote a product where, it makes you some money on the side here. And it's kind of cool when I get, when I see the deposits coming in from ClickFunnels just because somebody watched a video, checked it out, and then was like, hey, I'm going to go build some funnels too. And then they went and clicked on my affiliate link. So that's it. Go out there, promote ClickFunnels, promote a different some other product, promote an information product, a physical product, whatever you want. But go ahead and get started with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to have some more information, probably something will pop up on the screen. I'll have some more sales funnel and affiliate marketing goodness for you, as well as how to set up your own. If you want to set up your own affiliate marketing funnel and do it in a single day, I've got some information for you in regards to doing that as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.